Basta.
No, I think the other, if the other's more adventurous, o di iakyat niya rin
Level niya.
yung level nung isa, di ba?
Yeah. Tingnan mo si Phoebe, nagka-cardio na nga ng todo. Nagka-training na rin ng todo. And
Alam
I
mo-
think you'll discover new things, new positions.
Yeah,
Discover your
I
body
think it's
more.
nice. Yeah, I think it's nice that way. At least it's like balance.
So pag ano,
You know?
kunwari, if the guy is more adventurous than you, nung time na ini-introduce siya yung certain style, were you scared? Were you asking questions? And what was that style that he was introducing?
Well, you know what? I think it's like for me, it's exciting. Kasi like if both of you are conservative, magiging parang boring yung sex life nyo eh. Alam mo yun? Kasi parang traditional, ganun. But what if like the other person is more adventurous and then mas marami siyang, like mas knowledgeable siya about things.
Yeah.
Like for example, for someone like me who likes learning new things and exploring new things, I like someone na mas more knowledgeable than me. Kasi mas marami ako natututunan sa kanya. 'Di ba? So it's more exciting.
So like ako, like I would be freaked out if somebody brings tools while I'm having sex. So,
Why not?
I would be like, maybe I should bring out the long rod, you know? So what the hell? I would feel worthless. I'd be
No,
like,
you know what, Rico? Sometimes kasi when you're in a relationship and then your like relationship is so long na, sometimes you guys will look for something na exciting, 'di ba?
To spice it up.
Yeah, to spice it up.
Yeah.
Like, it's not just like parang hihiga ka tapos starfish ka lang na ganun.
Paano?
Or di kaya vanilla sky, nakaganon ka lang. Alam mo yun, parang it's so boring. Like,
Yeah.
but what if like that other person have like, alam mo yun, yung parang love? Ganun talaga no. Love, what if, try kaya natin yung ano, like dildo na dalawa tayong, alam mo yun,
And
parang
then, you put it
dalawa
on-
kayong may excite,
you put it
diba?
on the guy?
No, of
No,
course.
what?
You know what? Oh my God, I have a story about that.
Oh my goodness.
Okay? Tell us a story.
No, but this is like super funny ha. Like I won't mention any names, but like
It sounds like
alam
rhymes
mo yung,
with...
alam mo yung parang you're with somebody, di ba? Tapos parang ikaw parang excited ka na parang, oh my God, I'm gonna introduce dildo to this guy, ganyan. Tapos bigla na lang madilim, di ba? Tapos bigla na lang pagkita mong ganun, siya yung
Nakasubo.
nakasubo. So parang ikaw nawalan ka ng gana na parang, akala ko ako yung magsusurprise sa kanya. Ako yung na-surprise.
What?
So parang mali naman yun.
So, Bex pala siya.
Bye.
So nalaman ko na Bex pala siya.
Experiment ka lang pala.
So it's also one way of finding out, guys.
What he will do with it. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
No, but ako,
So whoever you are, I'm sorry.
Initials, artista.
Secret.
Artista, politician. Ganun.
no, but
Huwag na natin banggitin, kawawa naman siya.
No, but I think when it comes to exploring new sexual positions,
Yeah.
I think it boils down to
Bakit
how
pag ikaw
much.
nagsasabi, napaka-wholesome ng dating nyo.
Ito na yung balance eh, di ba?
Diba?
Parang ano siya, alam mo yung parang nanonood ng Jubilee.
Hindi,
Parang,
pero
parang si Jamie Rivera yung pinapanood ko,
Pero
di
alam
ba?
mo yung nakakatawa dun, guys. Like, you know, I know, yung mga mukhang virgin, yun pa yung mga more
Oh.
exciting when it comes to...
Oh, game. Ano yung point of view mo?
And my POV is, yun nga, when it comes to exploring new stuff that you haven't tried in bed, I think
Yeah.
it all boils down to how much you trust the person.
Yeah,
And you
exactly.
feel safe with the person.
Yes.
So, nasa lalaki na yun, kung paano niya ipapa-feel dun sa babae na, oh, let's try this, you'll be safe with me. Walang nakatago na video. Alam mo yun? Diba? May
Oh
ganun
my God,
eh.
yan na-experience ko yan.
Oh.
Tangina. Nagmura talaga ako.
Ah, sino nag-video sa'yo? Magkano charge para makomo ulit?
Hindi. Inano ko siya, dinimanda ko siya for cyber libel.
What? Seryoso?
Yeah, I was like, that's really bad.
Mali yung angulo mo? Paano-
of course.
paano?
Hindi naman. But like, without me knowing, pwede namang magpaalam, pwede ba i-video natin? Baka at least man lang kahit papaano ni-ready ko yung
Ang makeup
sarili
ka.
ko, tapos yung moan ko, ginandahan ko. Hindi
Paano yung, ito. Paano yung moan na walang video?
Siyempre yung...
Yung naka-video. Naka-video.
Naka-video yung, ganyan. Pero pag walang video, yung, alam mo yun? Ganon.
Halimaw yata to
In
eh.
fairness, kay Rico, nagpapaalam naman.
Ayan.
okay lang ba?
Hindi na kayo magjowa dito
hindi. Kwento lang.
Okay na.
At least
Paalam.
magpaalam ka.
May ano tayo, permission slip. May waiver.
Share mo yung Rico
May waiver.
Share mo yung drive mo
Yun lang.